बेटा आओ,
come,
जाओ,
go,
बनाओ,
make,
तोड़ो,
break,
ऊपर,
up,
नीचे.
down.
शाबाश, very good. Who is your best teacher?
My Amna is my best teacher. She is always helpful. She is a very good teacher. She has a good personality. She teaches us English. She is very supportive. She is very intelligent. She also advises us to work hard. My teacher is my ideal.
Do you know about any application?
Application for sick leave to the principal Habibin Al Muzail Public School Alizai. Sir, most respectfully, I beg to say that I have so I cannot come to school. Can you grant me leave for one day? Thank you. Your obediently name Alishba Class 3, roll number 24, date 12.
Now, Hadia, what do you know about the noun and countable noun?
Noun, the name of person, place or thing is called noun. For example, Ali ko har chair. Countable noun, the noun that can be counted are called countable noun. For example, pencil, book, desk.
Now tell me about the uncountable noun.
Uncountable noun, the noun that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. For example, milk, water.
Arfa, which fruit do you like?
Mango. Mango is the king of all fruits. It is the national fruit of Pakistan. Mango is a very tasty fruit. Mango is a big seed inside. Mango is rich in vitamin A and C. I love to eat mangoes.
We are part of English speaking course.